perceived value, it's real world value, like a simple website. Basically, it's the best place to start. If you are brand new to being online, you'll have your own blog and you'll just have all the technical stuff. Well, I'm not technical at all, and they supply it and you know, support you with all of that hard stuff. Plus, you're part of a movement, you're part of a culture. You know, the world's changing. We're in the age of Aquarius. You know, there's the shift, a conscious shift on the planet. And, you know, globalization is something that my son was learning at high school, but now, you know, the world is moving faster towards becoming one big community. And so Empower Network is just on that same frequency, on that same journey, on that pathway. So, you know, might be a bit spiritual for you there, but that's where I come from, you know. So I'm just saying, if you want to make your first $100 online, join, you know, click the button below. I think that's what they say with videos, and join Empower Network. And I'm here to help you. You can Skype me and call me. I know that's crazy, but I'm new to the internet, so I'm gonna, you know, give away my phone number and my Skype. So, because I'm here for you. I want to meet you. I want to hear your success. You know, I want to hear where you are now if you're struggling, because trust me, come on board. This is the answer. If you've been looking for the answer lies in going all in. Do whatever you have to do, but go all in and focus and build your business with me and with all of the Empower Network team. Okay, that's all I've got to say. I'm so excited. I just had to share that and get it off my chest. And I'll see you on the next video. David Johnson. Bye.